On the 13th of December 1939, the Battle of the River Plate took place off the coast of Uruguay and Argentina as the first major naval battle of World War II. Welcome to HistoryPod. The German pocket battleship Admiral Graf Spee was a powerful warship designed to operate as a commerce raider and disrupt Allied trade routes. She had attacked numerous merchant vessels in the Indian and Atlantic Oceans since the beginning of the war, and so the Royal Navy assembled a hunting group led by Commodore Henry Harwood aboard the cruiser HMS Ajax to intercept her. On the morning of the 13th of December, the British cruisers HMS Ajax, HMS Achilles and HMS Exeter located the Graf Spee near the estuary of the River Plate. Despite being outgunned, the British ships engaged the German battleship, initiating a fierce battle. Commodore Harwood opted to split his forces and attack from multiple directions, and this helped to neutralize the advantage of the Graf Spee's heavier firepower. Consequently, although the German ship inflicted significant damage on Exeter, the combined efforts of the British cruisers successfully crippled the Graf Spee's fuel system. German Captain Hans Langsdorff decided to seek refuge in the neutral port of Montevideo in Uruguay. The ship entered port on the 14th of December, but was only permitted to stay for 72 hours. Meanwhile, rumours that a larger British force was gathering in case the Graf Spee attempted to leave port led the captain to believe that escape was impossible. Langsdorff ordered the scuttling of the Admiral Graf Spee on the 17th of December to prevent its capture. The ship was set ablaze and sunk by its crew just outside Montevideo. Captain Langsdorff later died by suicide in his hotel room in Argentina.